Hello, this is Seher from Easy Peasy, and the topic that we are going to discuss today is called as cellular pool. Inside every cell, thousands of different molecules are present at the same time. But are they just floating randomly, or is there an organized system? In the previous video, we studied biomolecules. Now we will see how these biomolecules actually exist inside the cell. So by definition, cellular pool is the total collection of all chemical substances present in a cell. Cellular pool includes both dissolved substances and undissolved substances. It is not about types of molecules, but how they are present inside the cell. Now, cellular pool is divided into two main parts. One is called as aqueous phase, and the other is called as non-aqueous phase. Aqueous phase is the water-based part of the cell. It includes small molecules, ions, and some large molecules. Aqueous phase is further subdivided into true solution and colloidal solution. In true solution, the particle size is less than 1 nanometer. The substances are completely dissolved, and the examples include glucose, amino acids, and salt. Here, particles are so small that they cannot be seen. On the other hand, colloidal solution, the particle size is from 1 to 1000 nanometer. Particles are suspended and not fully dissolved. The examples include proteins and nucleic acids. Most macromolecules exist in colloidal form inside the cell. Now let's talk about non-aqueous phase. These are the substances that do not dissolve in water, and that includes lipids, membranes, large cellular structure, for example, cell membrane. These components form structural part of the cell. So, biomolecules are classified based on the type, while cellular pool is classified based on their state inside the cell. Now let's do some easy peasy practice questions. Cellular pool refers to total chemical substances present inside a cell. The aqueous phase of the cellular pool includes dissolved and suspended substances in water. Which of the following is an example of a true solution in the cell? Glucose. Macromolecules like proteins and nucleic acids generally exist in the cell as colloidal solution. Which of the following belongs to the non-aqueous phase of the cellular pool? Lipids and membranes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Easy Peasy.